Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips, your ultimate destination for smart trading tools and strategies. If you're looking for ways to automate your trading and make life easier, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing auto trading EA for the MT4 platform. This expert advisor will handle everything for you. No need to take manual trades or analyze charts endlessly. It automatically takes trades, sets take profit and stop loss levels, and works seamlessly in the background. All you need to do is turn it on, and it does the rest. But first, a quick reminder. Forex trading involves financial risk, and you can lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use funds you can afford to lose. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more powerful Forex and binary trading tools in the future. Now, let's dive into the details of this expert advisor. This EA is designed specifically for trading the Euro-USD pair on the 1-hour time frame. The developer recommends a minimum balance of $3,000, but if you start with $5,000, it performs even better. It comes with equity protection at 50%. For example, if your account balance is $3,000, it will stop trading and close all positions if your equity falls below $1,500. It's an excellent tool for anyone looking for stable returns and a hands-free trading experience. To test its performance, I conducted backtesting using these settings: currency pair, Euro-USD, time frame, 1-hour candles, testing, period, 1st July 2024 to 31st December 2024, 6 months. Starting balance, $500, to see how it performs on a lower balance. Let's look at the results. Here's how the EA performed. Net profit, $680.60 on 500 initial deposit. Profit factor, 33.34, high efficiency. Win rate, 80% long trades and 90.7% short trades. Drawdown, 21.32%, 111.81. Total trades, 68. Largest profit trade, $99.86, and largest loss trade, $5.84. Max consecutive wins, 22, and max consecutive losses, 2. These results are incredible for such a small account balance. The EA proved to be profitable, efficient, and capable of managing risk effectively. If you want to test this EA, it's available on my Telegram channel, link in the video description. But here's my request. Start with a demo account first to see how it works for you. Only move to a real account once you're confident in its performance. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned trader, the key takeaway here is to trust your strategy and stay disciplined. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more trading tools and strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to share this video with your trading community. Let's grow together as traders and help each other succeed. Remember, trading is a journey. Wins and losses are part of your growth. Stay patient, consistent, and focused on your goals. Thanks for watching, traders. I'll see you in the next video with more tips, strategies, and tools. Until then, stay disciplined and trade smart.